This is Tierra and Nathan Greene, and this is our video submission for experiment 3.5 for Chem 1310.
Alright, first you're going to take two 50 milliliter beakers from the container shelf and place them on the workbench. Now you're going to add 15 milliliters of 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution from the materials shelf to one of the beakers. And this solution appears white in color. Now you're going to add 6 milliliters of nickel 2 chloride solution from the materials shelf to the other empty beaker. And this solution appears green. Now you're going to pour the entire contents of one beaker into the other. So now we're pouring the nickel 2 chloride into the sodium hydroxide. And as you can see, the solution is whitish, but there's a green precipitate formed, which is the nickel 2 hydroxide.
In this experiment, we had aqueous solutions of sodium hydroxide and nickel 2 chloride, and we produced aqueous solution of sodium chloride and solid nickel 2 hydroxide. From the balanced chemical equation, we can take 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and 1 mole of nickel 2 chloride and produce 2 moles of sodium chloride and 1 mole of nickel 2 hydroxide. This reaction is an example of a double displacement reaction because the cations and anions of the reactant switch places to create two different substances. In this case, the nickel and nickel 2 chloride is paired up with hydroxide in the products, and the sodium and sodium hydroxide is paired up with the chloride to create sodium chloride. This is Tierra and Nathan Greene signing off.